Friends, welcome back to my video sessions. I make videos for my YouTube channel called Learn to Earn More One. My aim of making the video is to help young aspirants to grow in job, grow in profession, and grow in business as a starter or as a already exists in the business. I make videos which are small, inexpensive, so that knowledge can be dispersed. One can register at my website www.trainforfuture.com, and I conduct regular Zoom sessions for various topics. I am at the moment making videos for starting a business. Now, this video would be for importance of business planning. Planning is an important function of management, as we all know. It tells the management where the organization should be headed. It helps organization to reduce uncertainty and unexpected results. Planning provides direction to the organization. It's a predetermined action plan for the organization, and it states in advance what is to be done, how is to be done. It also helps manager with a sense of direction. Without planning, the work would be uncoordinated and unorganized. Business planning reduces uncertainty. Uncertainty means you set objectives, but there are changes in the environment, industry, so planning helps you to counter those changes in your business plan very, very effectively. Planning takes into considerations past events, trends, and prepares the manager to deal with uncertain events. Planning also reduces unwastefulness because the planning is done not departmentally initially, but it is done as a complete unit. So keeping in mind all the departments. So this provides a sync in the requirements of the organizations, and they are coordinated. This provides clarity of thoughts, and all work is carried out without interruptions or waste of times or resources. Planning also invokes innovation because since at planning stage you have to think of various aspects. It broadens your horizons and it makes you think differently. So for planning you have to be creative, prospective, and innovative. Since the decisions are made in a easier manner for the future, the action plan is set and developments. This helps managers at all levels to become conversant with the organization goals, and decisions become faster. The planning helps you to set standards. The standards are set for the various aspects. They can be set for the production, they could be set for the payment periods, they can be set for other expenses. So planning, establish standards is a very, very important part of everybody to understand, to measure the performance of the organization. So at the same time, there are some problems in planning which one must know. That is rigidity. Once the planning is complete and the action plan is set, and managers are asked to follow the plan, the managers may be in a position to change the plan according to the circumstances or unwilling to change the plan. This sort of rigidity is bad for the organization. Planning is not a dynamic concept. It's a static concept in the sense that uh, once you made a plan, you cannot take into account economic, political, environmental, legal conditions, and nature of business. Business is a dynamic in nature, so that must be taken into account that creativity is brought into planning and as and when required. The planning portion is also expensive because it entails specialized people to plan the uh, create a plan for the organization. It requires research and fact collections and number crunching. At certain times, the cost of planning is outweighs its benefits. We have now just given you some idea about business planning. Now, all that has to be put into a business plan. Business plan itself is a separate process, a process which takes into account various things like it has a financial plan, it has a operational plan, it has a marketing plan, and that plan is used to bring out the costs, bring out the other variable factors. It provides guidance to the investors how who want to invest money because all lot of information, financial information is given about rate of interest, rate return on equity, return on investment, which helps the mm, investors to make a decision. The marketing plan is the business plan indicates the type, the demographics where the business is planned to be done, how it is going to be done, what are the marketing channels, and how you are going to plan the operation. Also, the business plan indicates the employees, the horizontal, the structure of the organization, so that at all stages the business plan can be taken and put into use. So we have covered planning, we have covered a business plan outline. I hope it will provide you some thought process which you can recall and utilize as and when required for your business. In case you want further guidance, you can register with my website at www.trainforfuture.com, and as and when I conduct the Zoom sessions, I will let you know, and you may possibly be in a better position to advance your own thought process, which is very essential for the running of the business. Thank you so much.